So my name is Rem Harper. I do level 3 creative media second year, and it's been an amazing experience so far, and I'm really looking forward to the rest of it. I really wanted to study at this college because I think the facilities here and the staff here are really amazing. Other places I looked at didn't have quite as much special interest in media and the arts as this place. We all as a year group and a few of the first years as well come together to create this amazing magazine. And we have a briefing with our clients, and we can basically write articles about whatever is interesting to the young people in the area. So we go and do target focus groups with year 10s and 11s and find out a bit more about what they'd be interested in seeing in a magazine, because it is completely their magazine. And then once we've done that initial bit of research, we then go on to write more articles and design the whole thing and take photos and really just get involved with every aspect of it. I think it's a really good opportunity because there's something for everyone. This year alone, since September, I think I've done 3 separate placements. We are asked by the college and by businesses outside the college to create promotional videos, to create adverts for companies, and so there is so much to do, especially in terms of film production, because it's professional work experience and you're getting yourself out there, and you can also use it on your CV because it's such good work experience. The college has massively helped me progress towards my aims and goals for the future in quite a few ways. I mean, not only in the content of the course, helping me realise where I want to go in my life, but also the support when we're doing our UCAS applications. I mean, we've been doing it for the past few weeks now, and Marcus and Saffron have been guiding us through it, and it's been incredibly helpful. I'm planning on going to Salford, Manchester, or Solent University, but more specifically Manchester and Salford. This is a really good area in the world for media, as it's where the BBC is based, and I'm also planning on applying for a BBC apprenticeship. I would quite like to go into filmmaking once I've finished university. However, I am definitely open to other opportunities. I mean, since doing Eastbourne Youth Radio, I've become very interested in broadcasting and hosting shows. So I might look more into the presenting style and side of the industry rather than the behind the scenes stuff.